Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So today we're going to do a quick tool review on a professional stud finder from Hart. Okay, so this is the professional stud finder from Hart. I picked this up at my local Walmart. Many of you probably have one of the stud finders that actually has one sensor, and one thing that attracted me to this one was the fact that it actually has 9 sensors. This is distributed by a company called Franklin Sensors. And when you look online, there's a ton of great reviews. So I figured we'd just give this a try. One of the other neat things about this stud finder is it has the ability to show the width of the stud. So we're going to check that out. It also does not require any type of calibration. So all you do is you push the button down, set it against the wall, and then drag it slowly across the wall. And that should show you the width of the stud. That certainly beats going around and having to use your finger to knock on the wall to hear sound changes, or perhaps you're using one of the other ones that has one sensor, and that one sensor is not very accurate, and of course you end up drilling a bunch of different holes. Let's open it up and check it out. It is absolutely child-proof packaging and dad-proof packaging. Okay, so there is the sensor. First thing I noticed is it actually has a pencil holder. And so whenever we're finding the stud, we could just put it right here in this notch, which would signify, of course, the center of the stud. This is the meter that shows you the strength of perhaps wires behind the wall. So of course, one dot means the wire is farther away. If you have this completely over to the right with all of them lit up, that shows that it actually has a wire that's really close, and so you need to be more careful. This takes 2 AAA batteries, and so I actually brought the battery daddy out. If you've never seen one of these before, it's one of the best Christmas gifts I think that we've ever purchased. I'll leave a link below in the description for you if you want to pick one up for yourself, but it keeps everything organized. We'll pick up 2 AAA batteries. All right. Per the instructions, it doesn't take any calibration. So let's take over the wall and see if we can see something behind the wall. You see that? There's the center of the stud, that green line, and you can see the left and right edge. That's pretty slick. And we'll go over here, there's a light switch. So we know that there's a stud somewhere, but if you look, do you see above my finger, we're getting very close to a power wire. That makes sense because there's a switch right down here below. Look at that, there's the stud. Of course, this being a header, it's actually, there we go. Look at that. One here, there's one here. The sheetrock around, and you can see it's picking up the wire behind there. What a neat tool. Let's wrap this video by going outside. We'll install some hangers in the garage for the bicycles using this Hart tool, and we'll close the video. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again soon.